Taxpayers who were allowed the first-time homebuyer's credit in 2008 generally must repay the credit over 15 years. The repayment is calculated on the 2010 through 2025 tax returns. If your taxpayer is among those who must pay back the credit, Drake Software helps prepare Form 5405 as well as track repayment from year to year. To get started, access the Home screen from the Income tab of Data Entry or by entering Home or 5405 in the Selector field. For returning clients that had the first-time homebuyer credit calculated in a prior year, the program has updated the year and credit amount on this screen. This data can be seen in the two read-only fields in the Form 5405 Repayment Information section of the screen. If the program is not currently tracking the client's credit, or if you're entering the taxpayer's information for the first time, you must complete the following fields on the Home screen. The date the home was purchased in the Date section, the original credit from Form 5405 in the Form 5405 Repayment Information section, and the amount of original credit repaid in prior years here. If the purchase year is 2008 and the home was not sold or disposed of, the program automatically calculates the repayment amount for an installment based on 15 years for repayment and enters the amount of repayment on Schedule 2. You can override the calculated amount by entering a larger amount in the amount to repay if choosing to repay more than is required field. Any entry less than 1/15 of the credit amount will be ignored. If the purchase year is 2008 and the home was sold, enter the date sold and all applicable sale amounts in the Basis of Home section. The program will automatically calculate the gain or loss and produce Form 5405. If the home for which the first-time homebuyer's credit was taken in 2008 ceased to be the taxpayer's main home for any reason other than the property being sold, enter the date of the home ceased to be the main home and then mark the applicable box in the bottom half of the Form 5405 Repayment Information section. In View mode, on Schedule 2, the repayment amount is on line 10. And it appears on the 1040 on line 23. If you are among those who must repay the home buyer tax credit, the Internal Revenue Service has an online tool to help you determine how to handle repayment of the credit on your federal income tax return. The online lookup tool can be found on the IRS website, or this link can also be found on the home screen by clicking on the blue hyperlink Home Buyer's Credit Account Lookup. For more information, go to drakesoftware.com.